Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Your Xbox has the latest system update, you're signed into the Microsoft account linked to your Xbox profile, and Microsoft Edge is available. Open the guide, go to System Updates, and install any pending updates. Once done, press the Xbox button, go to My Games and Apps, and look for Edge. If it's not installed, download it now. This gets you to the browser step quickly and ensures compatibility before proceeding. You now open Microsoft Edge on Xbox and type Roblox. Come into the address bar. This is where the setup gets specific. Switch to desktop site mode from Edge's menu so the site behaves like a PC browser. Sign into your Roblox account, then open the game page you want to play. Edge will present a play or launch option. If a download prompt appears, decline and instead use the browser's built-in play button. This avoids unsupported installer. To finish, enter the game's play interface and confirm controller mapping works, and the page is in full screen mode for best performance. If the game won't start, clear Edge's cache and site data from Settings Apps Microsoft Edge, then reload the page. Once done, reboot the console to apply any lingering changes. If problems persist, try signing out and back into both Xbox and Roblox. This often resolves authentication or session issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.